this is my lecture 9 and I will start with the definition. The matrices in M2N of complex in the range of psi n are called quaternionic linear complex matrices. So you all have to know this definition. Next. So next is my theorem. GLN of H is nothing but quaternion. Now this is isomorphic to subgroup of GL to N of C, which is my complex. This is my theorem and I have to prove this. So first what I have to do, consider the function Gn of Hn tends to C to N defined by, now how this function is defined by Gn of Z1 plus W1j comma Z2 plus W2j comma up to Zn plus Wnj. Now this is equal to, and this we write it as this, Z1 comma W1 comma Z2 comma W2 up to Zn comma Wn. Okay. Now this is all in J. Earlier we have done in I, right? Now this is all in J. Next. Now aim is to define an injective map. Now how we define an injective map? Psi n where Mn of H tends to M2N of C such that the following diagram commutes. Okay, you have to see the following diagram commutes. Okay. Next is my example. When n is equal to 1, what will happen for this? When this n is equal to 1, so this will be G1, right? And this will be H1. And this RA and R phi n of 8 was, right? So it will be phi 1 of 8. And this is my G1 and G1. Next, given A is equal to U plus Vj belongs to M1 of H. Okay, so first I will start from here. Okay, and then I will move to here. I will stop here. Then next I will be starting from here and I will go from this side. Okay, so let us do from this side first. So Z plus Wj belongs to H. So it is this part. Okay, now this is what my RA. Now I have to get in this form. So this RA into this is equal to what? This RA we are writing as A. Next, this is equal to what? Z plus Wj, write it as it is. And what is your A? Given U plus Vj. Now this is equal to what? Z into U minus V conjugate W plus, you know why we wrote minus, right? J into J is minus 1. Then plus W into U conjugate plus Z into V. Okay. Next is what? Now I got this H part. Okay. This is my like this. And now this is my G1 and now I have to bring into this form. Okay. So Z U minus V conjugate W, this you have to write it as it is. Wherever there is plus you have to put comma. Then this you have to write it as it is. Don't write this J, okay? That's it. So this is my first part I have found out. Okay, I started from H and I ended here. Now secondly what I will be doing is I will be starting from here and I will end here. Okay, so let us start doing. Next. So for second part 2, I will start from H and I will come here, like from this side I will be coming. So let Z plus Wj belongs to H, and this is what this H part into this meaning G1 this. Now you have to get in this form. Okay, C2. So that is nothing but z comma w. Now this is what r psi 1 of a, r psi 1 of a. Now this is what z comma w into psi 1 of a you have to do. Then this is equal to z comma w. This is 2 into 2 matrix. Next, thus z u minus v conjugate w, w u conjugate plus z v. Now this you have taken from path 1, from this here, from here you have taken that, okay, and you wrote it here. Now this is equal to z comma w. Now this is my u v minus v conjugate into u conjugate, 2 into 2 matrix. So this is my psi 1 of a is equal to u v minus v conjugate u conjugate. So I am done with this problem, with this example. Next, you all try to solve. I have given you all for n is equal to 2. I have given you all a, and this solution also I have given to you all. This is my side 2 of a. Okay. So I am done with my lecture 9, and soon I will be uploading lecture 10.